So here I'm going to use the volume dashboard to create a volume surface and then break out a few different areas. So I'm going to come here to the Analyze tab, Volume Dashboard. I currently don't have a volume surface, so I'm going to create one from in here. I'm going to choose Create New Volume Surface, and I'm just going to call this Overall Volume. And my style is going to be an elevation banding style. Base surface is going to be my existing ground and my finish ground. I could put a cut and fill factor. I'm going to leave it at 1. I'm going to hit OK. So that's going to give me that volume surface. I can quickly look and see what my overall volume is. In this case, I've got a lot of cut, almost 1,000,000 yards of cut. In here, I want to break out, maybe I have phases or stages of this mass grading operation. If I select my overall volume, the bounded volumes is now available to be used. So I'm going to say add bounded volume. I'm going to select this polyline. I'm just going to repeat that a few times here. Add volume, polyline. It is adding those underneath. If I expand here, I've got the two different options. You can see them highlighted in red. We add 3 more in here just real quick. After this last one, I'm going to do a little renaming. So I can rename things in here, but as you can see, if I scroll to the right, I now know the volume within each of those specific areas. So I can say, let's say this is phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and so forth. I'm going to leave the rest there for now. I'm going to uncheck that. There's a couple reporting options in Civil 3D. Here's going to export out a report. So I unchecked the volume because it's going to automatically give me the totals based on what I have selected here. If I chose this one, it's going to double up. So I'm just going to choose here. Quickly gives me a report, phase 1 through 5. There's my cut. Going to go ahead and do this next option here. This will insert a cut fill summary into AutoCAD. This is not dynamic. This is just a static block. If anything changes, you're going to have to run that again. But real quick, in the volume dashboard, I created my volume surface and I broke out all the individual phases as a bounded volume.